What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about trying HWID Spoofer but weren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire setup process step by step so you can get everything installed and ready to use without any confusion. One thing that makes HWID stand out is how simple the whole process is. It also has an active community where users regularly share their experiences. So if you want to see feedback before getting started, you can always visit the official Discord server. The first step is to head over to the official HWID website. Open the product section, choose the permanent spoofer, select the subscription that suits you best, and complete your purchase. After that, you'll receive an email containing your loader download link and license key. Once everything is downloaded, open the loader and activate your license if prompted. Then go to the permanent spoofer section, select the supported game, and click start. The setup only takes a short time to complete. When the process is complete, restart your PC before launching your game. If you run into any problems or have any questions, the HWID support team is available on Discord and will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'll see you in the next video.